Import the image, go to camera raw filter, give it some nice blue colors. Oh yeah baby. Import a nice texture. Change the blending mode to color burn. Use quick selection tool to select this princess.
Wait, didn't you call me princess during the last video? And me too? And what about me? So what, are you calling now everyone princess? Huh? Are you cheating on us? Huh?
Wait, I can explain. Okay, I can't. Bye. Did they leave? Okay. Stupid. Let's continue. So after you finish selecting this princess, apply the selection to the texture, make the texture brighter. Add shadows to give depth to your texture. Do the same around her mini nose. Use hue saturation to change the colors to something beautiful and magnificent. Select curvature pen tool and slowly draw around her face. Create a mask, softly push it inside. We don't want to make our princess sad. Add some texture behind. Make it dark like your soul. Add shadow for extra realism. Select the face border and make it bright like my soul. And boom chicka boom, my dear friendcitas. Check out my premium Photoshop classes in the link below to learn how to bring Mona Lisa back to life. Okay, maybe I lied about this one, but just check it out.